What's up, people? Big G Gadgets coming at ya with another little something. So Tranya have brought out a new set of earbuds, an upgrade to the T1 Sports wireless earbuds that I did a review on a few months back. Funnily enough, called the T2 Sports True Wireless Earbuds. What should we call them? T2? Yes, Dave. It's a cracking idea, Dave. I don't know why he's called Dave. So cost-wise, they're 50 squids on the UK Amazon, 60 bucks on the US Amazon. God damn. I unboxed them last night, been playing around with them ever since, and do they meet the criteria of surpassing the T1s? Let's check them out. So let's check out what you get in the box. You get your paperwork, pow! You get your charging cable, USB to micro USB. There is no USB-C. Tranya, step it up, son! You get an assortment of different size earlugs. Depending on the ear size, you can change your switch. And you get the earbuds themselves with the charging case. Hells yeah, you do! Now the first thing I'll say about the charging case is, damn, it be tiny. This thing will fit in the palm of your hands. You could stick this in your pockets, no one's gonna know any different. The case has a 500 mAh battery and some LEDs so you can tell just how much charge is left in the case. Round the back, you've got your micro USB in to charge the case, and that's about it. Case with the smoky black lid, nice solid plastic design. Let's clean that up. I mean, it feels solid. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. It feels like you're spending 50 quid, 60 bucks. That's what it feels like. Now, what are we saying about the earbuds? I feel your peeps. I'm getting to it just now. The earbuds are on the small side, much smaller than the T1 earbuds that Tranya pumped out, and I like it. They fit a little bit more ergonomically in the ear. You can't feel them sticking out too much. In fact, I went to sleep with them last night in my ear watching some YouTube, and I didn't even realise when my head was pressed against the pillow. That's how compact they are in the ear. Let me show you. These things look fine, real fine. They're tight, they ain't coming out anytime soon. Each earbud has a 60 mAh battery within, so the case should give you 4, maybe 5 charges from a completely depleted set of earbuds to fully charged. Maybe. However, the claim that Tranya are giving is that there's 6 to 8 hours of music playback time. So in theory, you could have these on pretty much all day, every day for pretty much the working week. Pretty much. Depends on how much you work. The case holds the earbuds in via a magnet, and I don't think these bad boys are going to fall out anytime soon. Oh. Connecting them couldn't be any simpler. Simply pull them out the case, Bluetooth 5.0 will kick in, and you'll find them on your Bluetooth device list. They'll automatically turn on when you pull them out the case, they'll automatically connect to your phone or whichever device you have them connected to, and then they'll turn themselves off when you put them back in the case. So yes, I did say these come with Bluetooth 5.0, and I have had no connection problems with these whatsoever. I haven't had the slave earbud drop out from the master when I turn my head. I haven't had any latency issues when I watch a bit of the YouTube or streaming services. They're bang on point with everything when it comes to listening to your sounds. And because they're IPX5 rated, you can wear them to the gym without any qualms of messing them up with your sweat. I'll draw the line at the swimming pool though. Sip of the old tea. So what are you saying? Should we put them in? Should we put them in and listen to them? Let's do it. There's a little Chinese or Asian style voice going on in here. So I have already paired these up to my phone last night, so they should automatically be connected to this bad boy. Just stream some music. Let's just do it. Let's see what we got. Ooh! liking this. So far, bass is nice and low, highs are nice and high, mids maybe get a bit lost, but you know what? I'm liking the lows. Look at the size of these things. So bassy. Ugh. Heading to the YouTube bass test. Come on, hit me with the bass now, buddy. Come on, don't tease me like this. Don't tease me. Oh! What the Genuinely blown away just how much low end these things are pushing out. Hardly any distortion. I mean, that was a severe bass test. Hardly any distortion. And for something this small... Clear the wax off. For something this small to pump out that much... Oh, Tranya, what are you doing to me? Oh! Okay, so the functionality of these is what you would expect. Pretty similar to the T1s with some slight changes. To skip a track forward, you hold the right earbud down until you hear a beep and release. To go back a track, you do the same with the left earbud. Volume is a double tap with the right to go up, a double tap with the left to go down. And if you tap this thing 3 times, it will open up Siri, Google Assist, your help, whatever you have. And of course, it has play pause by just pressing it once. Pretty much all that you need, right? Phoning the mother. I hope she picks up. Mother! How are you? I'm good, sweet darling, how are you? A quick question before I hang up on you, because it's a quick call. I will call you back later once I get rid of this YouTube lot. How do I sound? Very crisp and very clear apparently, folks. I'm liking it. Mother, I bid you farewell. I will call you back shortly though. She makes me laugh. So there you have it, the Tranya T2 earbuds. Not too sure what to add. They're not the cheapest earbuds out there by any stretch of the imagination, nor the most expensive. However, you get pretty much all that you need for a set of earbuds. Great sound, small, compact, stylish, great fit, functionality, and all yours for 50 squid, 60 bucks. What are you waiting for? Get on it. Tranya, you've done me proud. Thank you very much. Big G out! Alright folks, if you like what you saw there, I apologise. I'm in a bit of a funny mood today, so it may not have been the best review, but that's what you get on this channel. In front of a camera, I can't even say camera. Me in front of a camera, checking out some products. So if you like that, if you like what you're seeing, feel free to hit that subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. I've got a target of 10,000 subs by the end of 2019, so come join the family. Let me know what you want me to review next maybe, leave in the comments, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Big G is now definitely out!